Welcome to Million Designs, your one-stop destination for pure Kanchipuram silks. Most of you have been requesting to do a video with pocket-friendly Kanchipuram silks, and here we are with the best of the best designs and color combinations within a price range of 4,000 till 8,000. Please note, all these are 100% pure Kanchipuram silks and all also comes with silk mark purity tag approved from the government. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, in case you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get a notification as and when we upload a new video. Now let's get started. Firstly, we have this simple yet elegant Kanchipuram silks in 6 beautiful colors with subtle stripes pattern both on the body as well as in the border with contrast, multicolors and golden zari. These are all priced each 4,600 and are very easy to drape, and you will be ready in minutes for any office occasion or puja or traditional gathering. As you can see, there are stripes in the body and multicolor borders along with golden zari. Beautiful color combinations. This one is royal blue with purple and yellow combination with subtle golden zari. All 6 are very beautiful and unique color combinations. This is beige and this is the cream off-white color with yellow and teal green in the border. That's the pallu, and each of them 4,600. In our next design pattern comes 2 colors, mehendi green and grey. This has solid mehendi green body with golden zari buttas and dark green border along with golden zari in the 2 sides of the saree. Each priced 7,180. Next design pattern are these lovely 7 different beautiful colors in traditional design patterns. They have got circular zari motifs on the body, self-embossed weaving and traditional borders on either side of the saree. This one is orange with blue combination. Next comes yellow with pink. Each of them are little different from each other. They have got traditional weaving on the body, zari buttas, as well as the borders. This is the grand pallu. Third color combination is this light green with pink shade. Self-embossed weaving along with chakra motifs on the body. It's grey with magenta. Each of these 7 sarees are priced at 7,500. This is bottle green with magenta combination, self-embossed weaving, the golden zari on the body as well as borders. Very rich and suited very much for traditional occasions. This is a different stripes pattern in the border with the paisleys, that is mango motifs on the body. Next one is also bottle green and magenta combination. The last 3 sarees are same color combination but different design and zari motifs on the body. They are all well suited for the festive season around. That's the pallu, very grand and rich, and the blouse piece. Our next 5 sarees are very trendy and colorful floral motifs on the body with subtle golden zari borders accompanied with very richly woven pallu. Each of them is priced 5,995. Every saree is different and different color combination, light in weight, and they all come with silk mark purity tag. Very pretty, each one is so lovely. The right side most is the pallu. Now comes our designer collection, most attractive borders and astounding color combinations. This is the yellow with violet combination with silver zari elephants woven on the borders. 7,850. Next is bottle green with red combination. Same design pattern, self-embossed weaving on the body, elephant motifs in the silver zari in the border. The price of this saree is 7,850. Next is a very unique combination, orange with grey, self-embossed body with subtle golden zari weaving on the borders as well as pallu. This saree is priced 7,250. A very pretty saree. Next is cream with red combination, stripes pattern in the pallu, retapettu borders in golden zari, and in between comes the elephant motifs. Self-embossed body priced at 7,850. This is also the similar design pattern in the borders, but the pallu design is different from the others. Priced same again, 7,850. This one is the next traditional yet very grand annams in the borders. Very big border in golden zari with a deep navy blue solid in the body. It comes plain without any zari buttas. Priced at 7,850. Next is candy pink and teal green combination. A very lovely combination. It has got paisleys woven all through the border with a subtle golden zari retapettu style. Our next saree is dark pink with royal blue combination. A very beautiful border with birds and florals woven very richly, traditional way, intricate detailings and self-embossed weaving in the dark pink. Next is red with royal blue combination. That's the pallu in the right hand side. Small borders with annams woven in the border. This saree is priced 7,250. Next is beige with teal green. A very subtle combination. Priced at 7,250. All these sarees are all self-embossed weaving, and this is blue with pink combination, copper sulfate blue and bright pink. A very pretty combination with a unique border. Priced at 7,250. Hope you liked our collection today. Stay tuned for more lovely collection in our tomorrow's episode. Thank you, Team Million Designs.